The birthday boy. Oh my god. I'm making Buddyboy's cake because today is his birthday. I'm gonna make the ganache first. Start on the cake. It's so messy right now. Anyway, yes, I'm making a cake for Buddyboy's birthday right now. Because everybody said that actually. I actually just spent an hour trying to open this, what's it called? Weighing scale. Because the screws were stuck or something. I don't know why I took that much time to try to open it. I was really determined. Let's make vanilla cupcakes. What is that book?
I'll be the princess, I love you, and that's all I really know.
Look who it is. The birthday boy.
I'm 14 years old.
You're an older teenager now.
Yeah.
It just happened.
What happened?
Really?
Wait, what happened?
Okay.
So what happened?
Back up.
Messages, I hope you know I'm not ignoring, 'cause I hope that I can see you.
Hey buddy. Hey boy. Happy birthday.
The corner, man.
Hey Jonathan.
What's there? Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Macaroni and cheese. That's pretty good. Grandma, you're gonna try these?
You're on my mind, I can't take it anymore. I know I promised that I'd be there tonight.
Don't spit on it. 3, 2.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Aren't you 14?
You can drive now.
Not next year. No, next year.
How's your birthday, boy? Was good? That's a good idea, boy.
That was fun.
We have good friend, Buddyboy.
Do you need a bowl, boy? Boy?
Really strong.
What are you drinking?
It's really like acidic.
Are you really bubbling?
Yeah, they should drink it.
What is this?
Sprite.
Bro. Hold on. I'm like, boy, you're supposed to eat noodles on your birthday.
Noodles. Yo.
What? Yo, you've been saying that all day. It's your new word now.
I always been saying yo.
Really? You have, actually. I'll call Abby. I don't know if she's awake. Are you awake, Abs? There's udon if you want.
Long life.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't want a long life because then you have to see all your loved ones die before you.
Play with the quiet.
I'm just thinking logically.
Well, boy, you're 14.
Yeah.
14 years old. 14 only?
Yeah.
Good morning. I am getting ready right now. Oh, It's actually a few days after I last filmed for Buddyboy's birthday. Today's on Monday now. I'm gonna get finished. I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'll make breakfast and then I'll go to class. We're gonna measure Buddyboy's height.
Oh, come on.
You're checking your height, boy. Oh, wow. Good boy.
Oh my gosh, Buddyboy. How do I do it? Like this?
Level it.
How do I do that?
With a ruler.
Okay, go. 5'8.5".
Wow, boy. So let's sleep. I don't know what to make. My grandma's here, so that's why I'm playing some of this music. I just decided to go with some egg and toast. I think we'll do scrambled egg today.
Oh my gosh, my toes.
I did not just burn my toes. Some pepper, pink salt. I like washing the dishes before I eat, just so it's done. I'm eating out here in the porch. Hi. I just saw the grandma's outside. We will have breakfast inside. The lighting is much better here. Hello. That's the outfit. Really simple. Let's go. I am running late. Which one's this, boy? Oh. Okay, bye. I'm going. Here. I am back home and Buddyboy is still on the same place.
The victim has been stabbed multiple times. We know it's a knife.
Okay.
You got sweet potato on it.
Okay. Right now I'm taking quizzes. I'll do the 3 quizzes and then I will get back to you.
All the things I say, I'll make them run away, but I'll keep trying. Backing away, I've seen this before. Yeah, you don't know it, but look at that face. I've seen that, I'm sure. Could love you, I'll show it. Those broken hearts, yeah, those are things of the past, and those false starts.
What was it? What is like bird feed? Hey, Avia, how are those?
Look, dried date.
Oh, okay. That's what it looked like dry days. Don't worry. Not bad. Are you hearing me? I don't give up. You're a wonderful teacher. You taught me the way. Oh, I think I got it.
When I'm with you, know I'll be alright. And I can't wait until the day you're mine. No,
I have a new class today that I'm starting. Oh my gosh. And it starts at 8 a.m. Remember when I told you about those 2-hour and 45-minute classes? I'm gonna have another 2-hour and 45-minute class. But now I have 2 in a row. I have a 15-minute break to walk between the classes. I mean, I guess I get a nice walk in between. It is 5:15. Only reason why it's already this time because it took me an unreasonably amount of time to find an outfit. It is a little bit brighter outside and it's 6:25. Just did my makeup. I was uploading some files. There's supposed to be some things that I was supposed to send to a brand. Oh man, I'm not sure how long that'll take. Anyway. Hi. Let's make tea. Turn up this light and I'll go back downstairs. Oh yeah, I also changed. I'm on the ground. Charge my portable speaker. Ow. And then what in the world? AirPods. Oh, then my lip tint. I think I might bring a haircut just in case my hair gets all crazy. Portable charger, laptop, and then my water. Hello. 706 I need to take a picture of the class I'm going to, so I just have it on my phone and it's easier to look at. Okay. I didn't film much or I didn't talk much yesterday, so I'm gonna explain right now. Well, I put some jams on. I played the drum. Oh. Yesterday, I played the drums for the first. Oh. I played the drums for the first time in my life. I was kind of scared doing it. And it was the best experience in my life. At first, I was overthinking it because it was a public place. I think I was more self-conscious about what people were thinking. And then I was like, okay, let me just forget about all of that. I can actually do it. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. I think I'll play my Feel playlist. Basically, Zach to Boldo in there. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, what happened? It just stopped playing. Ow! Oh my gosh. I just got back. My first class, it was rescheduled. It happened again! It's like I should have learned my lesson the first time and then I didn't. Anyway, I needed to go grocery shopping and let's put some jams on. Oh my god! I needed to be out anyway, so it's fine. Oh, it's either super foggy or really rainy over there. I mean, not right here. I just got shrimp. So I have not been updating all day because, ta-da, I have a surprise. We are 500k now. Family is growing very big. Thank you for sticking around for so long. I mean, what in the world? That's crazy. I hope you like it because it's only cake. Kind of late too. I'm having cake late at night. Oh, it's so pretty! Strawberries and vanilla sponge. Let's eat. We got back from H Mart a while ago. I saw this at H Mart. I've never seen this before. We're gonna try it. Packaging is so pretty. Akira. What is it? Wow. It smells so good. The strawberry. It's like a wafer version of Pocky. Not really, actually. It's more like the flavor is similar. Hello. I wanted to make a special. Not really. All my videos are special, but this one I wanted to be more special. This video for some reason took a lot longer than it usually does. I don't know why, but it's fine. I like editing, so I don't really mind. I wanted to have a video where I share more of my thoughts. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you next week. Hope you have a good day. Bye.